Hey guys, this is Sahil and today we're going to be looking at the Corsair 3500X mid-tower cabinet. Now, this cabinet is a little weird because it costs like around 8,500 rupees, but you can get mid-tower cabinets with like similar features for even like rupees 4,000. So why is this cabinet so expensive? Now, there's a reason for that and I'll explain to you why. Because I would consider this actually a luxury mid-tower cabinet. Let me explain why. So first of all, uh, just see here. This cabinet has a glass, like full glass in the front. There's no space to put any fans in the front, so there's no metal grill also in the front. So it's like a completely see-through cabinet. So that's a very sexy look actually for a PC cabinet. So that is something unique to this cabinet. Like I haven't seen cabinets that have a. I mean, it's not common to see cabinets that have a full front glass. Now, the one luxury feature in this cabinet is you don't like all the panels can be removed without the use of a screwdriver. So, like, let me just demonstrate it. The front panel here, I can just remove it like that. No need for a screwdriver. Both the side panels, simple. Oops. So, this is all toughened glass, by the way. So it's heavy, yeah. It's a heavy cabinet. It's a very well built cabinet. I actually really love Corsair's package in this in the 3500X. Even if you look at this panel here, you can just roll it like that. Now this is being held on by this clip kind of mechanism, and it works well. You know, it's great. Like if you're really into building your PC, you want to keep swapping the components. Something that I love to do. Then this is great because you don't need any screwdriver. And yeah, I mean, you can make the argument that some cabinets have those thumb screws, but this is actually much more faster and more intuitive than using the thumb screws. Even the top part. So you can just show the top part here. So the top part actually has your power button, two USB 3.2 USB A ports, one USB-C port with the reset button and the headphone out. Even this panel you can like remove. That's just my baby playing up here. You can remove it without the use of a screwdriver. So like how brilliant is that? Now just look at the open config of this entire cabinet. It just looks like really good. I think this is very unique. It's a very unique product in the market. So what's special about this cabinet is you can fit in a full size 360 cooler either on the top or on the sides. But if you want to put it to the sides, then you have to remove these fans. These fans come with the cabinet. These are Corsair 120 ARGB fans. There's also the iCUE version which you can like hook up with the software. I just think that's all a gimmick, so that's not needed. Uh, yeah, this is the bay for the power supply unit. This cabinet supports full ATX motherboards, mini ITX motherboards too, and it also supports vertical mounted GPUs. So yeah, just a great cabinet. I think it's definitely worth the price because the quality, the level of finish that Corsair is giving you. Like I also have many cabinets that are from other brands. I won't name those brands that cost like say rupees 5,000 rupees. It's a mid-tower cabinet from a very well respectable brand, but the difference in the packaging and the difference in the product and just the finishing is very different. Like Corsair is definitely like really up in their game in that segment. So definitely, let me just put it back, just show you how easy it is to put all of the components back. Okay, so there you go. There goes one panel. This is, so yeah, by the way, this is the dust filter on this side. Then actually, before we put everything back, let me just show you the bottom of the cabinet here. So you get a very nice dust filter over here, which is removable and washable, of course. Nice sturdy feet. There you go. Love it when, love that mechanical click, the tack. I mean, just these days, all these electric cars, they don't have those mechanical clicks. So that's why I don't like them. That's why I'm like sticking to PC building, where at least in PCs we still get that mechanical click. Just like there you go. Tuck. Okay, 1 second. You first I want to put it like this. So here you can actually, when you open it, this thing rests of this here, the tuck. Now putting this back. There you go. Now, how intuitive and convenient is that? That is really cool. That is really cool. And if the camera could just show the cabinet from the front, you can see how this is like a very nice see-through cabinet. You know, you can just build your components. If you have a vertical mounted graphic card, it'll just look so amazing with the fans over here, with the RGB fans over here, your cooler, the 360 cooler fans at the top. Yeah, this is just like for those RGB fans, but also for those people who want to build machines seamlessly, who want to be able to swap components in and out very easily. So yeah, definitely recommended. I think it's worth the price. Like for 8,000 rupees, cabinet is one thing. Like during your PC building journey, you buy it once mostly. You hardly upgrade your cabinet. It's only like in one chassis, you go through like two or three generations of motherboards and systems. So if you're spending that money once, this is really good. And let me just tell you one thing about toughened glass. So this is another PC over here. Now you can see this is like glass all over. Okay, this is a very very like heavy kind of a PC. And once I was building the PC, this glass panel just fell off to the ground. I was like, damn, what happened? But when I saw the glass, it was spotless, not even a scratch. It fell from the same table, from the same height. From a height of this, the glass panel fell to the ground, but nothing happened to it. So toughened glass is actually very, very sturdy. So yeah, mad props to Corsair for this model. And yeah, I'm going to be building an AMD machine on this. So I'm actually building an AMD machine after a long time because I've been mostly working with only Intel-based machines. So I'm pretty excited. Once I complete the build, I'll show you how this looks. Sahil out.